Kasya ka pa ba? Kasya ka pa ba sa akin? Inuuto niya ata.
Just look at me. It's alright. You're out of sight.
Gulat na gulat eh.
With your brother's sloppy shirt. I admit it, girl, that I can't dig it.
Pwede na ba yung hairline mo? I love ko pa din naman kahit mataas. Hairline.
I say,
Walang tumawa!
Nakapedicure ko lang. Puro hindi naman puro itim-itim. Eh, puti Mamaya sa SDE mo, bibilangin ko yung lantat mo ah. Naligurado ako!
Soon to get married. Basta i-type ako sa'yo eh. Ito ang dapat hindi mawala, si Paul dyan.
Hyper niya, no?
Hi, love. 4 years ago, during the height of COVID, you moved into our village while I was just there, enjoying life, not really expecting anything. Then came our matchmakers, playfully pushing us together, not knowing that it would be the start of something so real.
Style, girl, that show is wild. You know I got cute trench coat and you're standing and posing. You got soul, you got too much soul. I'm just says you got the booze, says you got the booze, says you got the booze. I got this spell on me. Oh, I says you got the booze, says you got the booze, says you got.
I've thought about this while driving, at the gym, even before I sleep. Parang naging normal part na siya ng everyday thoughts ko. And alam mo naman yan, it felt like I was simply waiting for everything to catch up with what my heart already knew. Uy, ba't dumadami? Game na po.
Handshake!
Jessica? So? Uy, kuya, grabe. Nag-gym pa naman ako. Alam niyo na yung laman. Pambait. Yeah. Deal or no deal? Pinlansya ko yan.
Hindi na ako naiiyak. Nanganak na ako eh.
Sayang nga hindi mo na
Wow! Ano to? Wow! Hi, love. Alam ko matagal mo na ito alam. Every moment with you is my favorite time. I love you, my husband.
Nakabute! Nakiabuhak pa. Ay! Parang iba na yung sa akin.
Lahat to size 10. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi lahat ng sapatos ko kasi size 10 lahat.
Oh my God! Wow! Parang pareho kami ng letter. A watch to remind you that every second with you is my favorite. And pajamas with my face so you can still miss me even while sleeping. Thanks, love. Meron ka. Meron ka din. Ito na ako. Oh, bebe.
My favorite time is with my fiancé, si Margarita Isabel Lalian. Thank you. I love. Everything felt natural. No pressure, no forcing. We just go with the flow. We complemented each other in ways I didn't even expect. Parehas tayong third child, same initials, even our dogs' names matched. Parang tinadaanan na talaga eh, no?
Oh, ba't naiyak kayo? Isa ba?
Isabel, higit kitang iibigin at pakamamahalin simula sa araw na ito habang ako ay nabubuhay. Ipinapangako ko sa iyo, sa harap ng Diyos at sa presensya ng nariritong sumasaksi na ako'y laging makakasama mo sa hirap at ginhawa, sa kalusugan at karamdaman, sa tagumpay at kabiguan. Ang lahat ng ito'y magagawa ko lamang sa tulong ng Diyos ng pag-ibig.
I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on the
Sa Genesis chapter 1 verse 24, ito ang dahilan kaya iniiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina upang sumama sa kanyang asawa.
Ian, my love, thank you for choosing me. I don't know how I deserve you, but I'm so grateful to marry you today. I've always dreamed of walking down the aisle to you, and now it's real.
like you were something I won't lose.
I've been dreaming about this moment for almost 2 years now. Simula nung nagsimula akong magparinig about the wedding. And thankfully, mukhang nakinig ka naman. I remember telling you before na by the age of 30, gusto ko na talagang mag-settle down. And now, here we are. Ang bilis lang pala kapag si Lord na ang gumawa ng paraan.
When we are filled with the Holy Spirit, there is an opportunity for miracles to happen in our lives. And even in yours, Ian and Isabel. Kung ano man meron kayo na gusto nyong ibigay sa Panginoon, gagawin niya ito na extraordinary.
Iyan, higit kitang iibigin, pakamamahalin simula sa araw na ito habang ako'y nabubuhay. Ipinapangako ko sa iyo, sa harap ng Diyos, at sa presensya ng nariritong mga sumasaksi na ako'y laging makakasama mo sa hirap at ginhawa, sa kalusugan at karamdaman, sa tagumpay at kabiguan. Ang lahat na ito'y magagawa ko lamang sa tulong ng Diyos ng pag-ibig. I love how humble you are in every win, big or small. You never brag, but I always do because I'm so proud of you. With you, I feel safe, at peace, and at home. When I doubted myself, you're always there cheering me on and believing in me even when I can't. You inspire me to be better. And that's when I knew you're my forever.
You call me up in August.
Kasama mo na ako sa araw-araw na laban ng buhay. Hindi ka na mapupuyat kakahintay sa akin dahil magkasama na tayo. Sabay-sabay nating haharapin ang lahat hanggang matupad natin ang ating mga pangarap. Magiging mabuting ama ako sa magiging mga anak natin at mamahalin ko sila gaya ng pagmamahal ko sa iyo.
Yeah, that was just adrenaline. You're probably right.
So today, in this moment for us, I make these promises to you. I vow to be your safe place, your peace, and your biggest supporter in every season of your life. I'll celebrate your wins, stay by you in hard moments, and remind you of your worth when you forget. I vow to keep choosing you every day, when on the days you check your hairline more than you check.
Isn't it ironic? How I'm
To hold your hand through every season, every chapter, and every unexpected twist life may bring. Pinapangako ko na simula sa araw na ito, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Hindi ka na malulungkot.
Even from Dubai, you stayed present, calling, checking in, listening, and loving me consistently. And whenever you could come home, even for just a weekend, kahit pagod ka, you still choose to come back to me. That kind of love is rare. That kind of effort is priceless.
my own goodbye. And honestly,
And most of all, I vow to love you the way Christ taught us, with grace, patience, faithfulness, and sacrifice, and choosing God with you as we build a life of love, faith, and joy.
Sa'yo'y bibigay, mahal. I love you.
I love you. Finally, kinantahan mo rin ako. No matter where life takes us, you will always be closest to my heart. I love you, my husband, always. Love you.
Love you.